My name is Lane. I'm a worship pastor at a church, and I give live a 5 out of 5 rating. I was mainly using GarageBand before I switched to live and just realized that I needed a little more out of the program. That's why I made the change to live and never looked back. I ended up using live because there were so many options for my job to be able to make my efficiency better. I knew that I could use live to help my people get better on my team, to do my job better, and to be more professional in all aspects of my job. It is a little bit challenging to onboard and integrate people in my church to live, but after some training and some very helpful online videos, we were able to really get ahead of the curve with live. Overall, I'd say it's pretty easy to bring people on board. I highly recommend you checking out Live. It is a great product. There are so many features that are being added almost weekly. And even though there is a little bit of a learning curve, there are so many informational and instructional videos that you should have all the help you need. So if you are thinking about it, don't think anymore. Go with Live.